Hello everyone! It's so nice to see you all today. Let's get started with something fun. Hello childrens!
Hello, teacher!
Today we are learning the letter C.
Letter C.
Can you say C?
C.
The letter C says K. Say K. C is for cat.
Cat.
Look everyone, isn't she adorable?
She loves meeting new friends. This is a cat. The cat is small. The cat is cute. Meow.
C is for car.
Car. This is a car. The car goes fast. The car has wheels. The car helps us travel.
C is for cake.
Cake.
Great job everyone! C is for cake. Let's clap for the letter C.
This is a cake. The cake is sweet. We eat cake at parties. The cake is yummy.
C is for cloud.
Cloud.
Great job everyone! C is for cloud.
Cloud.